Hi there, it's Clive Linden here again with another Japanese Cooking for Idiots. And we're getting through these. I hope you're enjoying the series. Please like, subscribe if you are, because it'd be great to get the subscribers up. Anyway, today we are doing Somen. Is that right?
Yes.
Somen, I am told that is correct. Somen fine noodles, which are these little kind of beautiful white noodles. And I notice they come wrapped in a lovely little red ribbon thing there. Anyway, we're going to be cooking those and doing a little sort of a sauce or a soupy sort of sauce to dip in, and then some garnish to add to it as well. So it's going to be looking really good. Now, for this, what you're going to need are 4 bunches of Sōmen Noodles. 4 bunches of them. Yes. Do they come 2 in a packet?
No.
Have you taken some out? Oh yeah. All right. Okay, yeah. So look. Oh, there we are. Look at that. That's a much better example. Some Somen noodles. So these are really fine noodles, but you should be able to find them in a sort of a big supermarket, a decent supermarket with a selection. And then you're going to need some Dashi Tuyu. Dashi Tuyu. And you can make that very simply, and I'm going to put the ingredients down how to make it. You can make that very simply with some soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of mirin, half a teaspoon of dashi powder, and about 3/4 of a cup of water. But we're not going to be using that today, because if you're lazy, you can also just find this ready-made Dashi Tuyu. And it basically has everything in. It's got the dashi and the soy and the mirin in. It's made perfectly ready. This is obviously from a Japanese shop, but you should find the smaller bottles next to and again in larger supermarkets. If you look around, it's probably going to be next to where the soy sauce is. If you have a look, and you're looking for a Dashi Tuyu, and it saves having to make what we're going to make later. But if you don't have this, then check the ingredients down below on how to sort of make what we're going to make with that. Okay? So, to start, what are we going to need to do? We're going to
prepare garnish first, I think.
Oh yeah, we're going to prepare the garnish first. Okay, why not? What we're going to use? We are going to use
Nori.
some nori. I'm going to take some nori seaweed. And there's about 4 sheets there. And then, professionally going to cut them with a really sharp knife. Now I'm going to use scissors, and we're going to do very thin strips. What, about 1 millimetre?
Yeah.
Wish I had slightly longer scissors. There we are. This is great for those who enjoy a bit of arts and crafts. Yeah.
How do you call it? The sound. SMER.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's audio sensory. Yeah. Right, we'll just put it on one side. I'll chop this up. All right.
Okay.
Oops. Cucumber. How are we doing
Maybe
this?
half.
Just slice it down the middle there.
Yeah. And use this half.
Like this.
Yeah.
So egg, we're just going to add a bit of egg, crack it in there, whisk that up. Right, microwave,
Yes.
about a minute. And
Yeah.
we'll look.
Less minutes, but yes. 40 seconds.
So that's a 700 watt,
Okay.
750 watt
Yeah.
microwave. I'm going to put it on 30 seconds,
30
I'll
seconds.
check,
Yeah.
and we'll put it on for another
Yeah.
10 seconds. You only want about between 30 to a minute, depending on how powerful your microwave is. But this is a really quick, simple way to sort of get a sort of flat egg,
Yeah.
sort of basically like a simple omelette. There's our flat egg. We'll let it cool down and then we'll do the same sort of thing. Slice it nice and thinly as our garnish and add to our, basically to our garnish dish.
Ginger.
Oh yeah, ginger. So there's our garnish so far. We'll add the egg to it in a minute, a little bit of ham, the nori, cucumber and a little bit of ginger. We'll put the garnish to one side and we're going to make the Dashi Tuyu. Dashi Tuyu, which, so this is already prepared and it's 3 to 1.
Yeah.
3
Water.
water, one Dashi Tuyu to 3 water. This is 60 ml here, just as a guide for me. Okay, so I'm doing about approximately 60 ml of the Dashi Tuyu, or if you've already made it from the raw ingredients.
Yeah, that's it. Right.
One, and then it's 1 to 3, so 1, 2. Yes, trust me. Dad, I know what I'm doing when I'm using American cups. Right, let's turn it on, that helps. Okay. And then we're going to bring this to the boil, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Right, meanwhile, I boiled the kettle. I'm going to do the Somen Noodles.
The all the water.
Oh, just
2
fill up to
liters.
the top. 2 litres?
Yeah, that's good.
Probably wanted a bigger pan. Okay. That's better, isn't it? So we swap to a bigger pan. Put that on. Right, we bring that to the boil and then we add the
ribbon.
Yeah, I wasn't going to leave the ribbon on. Really, I know I'm an idiot. Yeah, because I know it's Japanese cooking
Oh my
for
God.
idiots.
That is
But I wasn't going to.
we
I really.
We are like an argument mode.
I really
we are like
was.
a fight mode.
No, I really wasn't going to put it in with
From the size of pan
the
to the ribbon.
Yeah, just we've got to get these things right. Anyway, 4 bushels almost. 4 bushels of Sōmen Noodles.
Yeah.
Okay, this is boiling away here. What you're going to need as well, because what we're going to do once we've cooked the noodles, and then we're going to clean them, and then so once we cook the noodles, we're going to wash them, and then we're going to put them in ice water. So you need to have some ice cubes ready, so you can stick the noodles in once you've given them the wash. So this is boiling now. We're actually on the boil. Oh, I'll just give this a stir. This is heating up nicely. We're just going to stick these in here, removing the ribbons.
You have to put 4 at a
You put
time.
them all in at the same time?
Yes.
Okay.
4.
Okay. Right, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, look at them.
And it,
Look at them just... Right, where's the noodle?
1 minute half or
Yeah.
2.
I'm just gently making sure they're all in the water, and then we're going to put the timer on for 1.5 minutes. Okay, Google, put the timer on for 1.5 minutes. Okay, so before this boils, we'll take it off the heat because I don't really want it to boil up. But you can sort of see it begin to sort of boil. Oh, let's take this heating down because the noodle's going to go all over the, oh, like that. Don't be rough with them. Just using a little noodly chopstick there. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't boil over. Right, we are good. So now we're going to take that off the heat and then we're going to wash them. So we're going to take them off the heat, stick them in the sieve, give them a gentle wash. So I've given these a quick wash. Be really gentle with them because we don't want to break up the noodles. And then we're just going to put it in the ice water like that so it doesn't fit. Make sure you've got enough water. And then that's it. There we go. Just put them in the ice water like that. You put them in the ice water like that. and then we'll just sort of leave them to chill down. Okay, so I'm just going to chop up the egg that we had just as part of the garnish. So there's our garnish, the cucumber, the ham, the nori, the egg, and a little bit of ginger in the middle. So next we're going to get our Dashi Tuyu. Put those up there. Going to put that up there. And now a lovely cold Somen. Put it there. And then what we need to do is make sort of little spiral nests. That's what I've seen on the pictures, isn't it? Spirally nests. Put in a fork. Let's see if this works.
Yeah, I'd rather put some bits, some bit. Other than that.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here, and you roll it here.
Ah. Just gonna. Are they meant to be like sitting up?
I do by hand.
You do it by hand?
Mm.
Okay, let me just do this one.
Shall I show you?
Yeah, please. Oh, do it like this. They just sort of seem collapse on me. Right, you show me how you. Go around the fingers.
Yeah.
Oh, mine look alright.
Yeah, yours fine, but that is quicker, that one.
Oh, yeah.
But it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah, yours look very good.
Okay.
We just keep the same size.
Yeah. So basically what we're trying to do is make these little sort of nests, aren't we?
Yeah.
A big one here. Oops,
Looks nice. Takes a while.
Yeah. Okay, so as you see, I've sort of made them in we've made them into sort of little nests there. And that is basically how we're going to serve it, isn't it? We'll try it. Okay, so here we are with the Sōmen Noodles and our garnish.
Yes. Looks nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So how do we...
Itadakimasu.
What?
Itadakimasu. Then maybe ginger.
Oh,
Ginger.
a bit of ginger.
Yeah. It's nice.
Okay.
And
More.
either you can put all
Oh.
of them or separate.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, like a few of those. Bit
No?
of nori. Bit of the egg.
Yes.
Bit of the cucumber.
Mm.
And then we grab one of these.
Yes.
Twist it on the noodle stickies and the chopsticks. Mine's come off. Come on.
Itadakimasu. Okay.
Mmm. That's nice.
Mm.
It's quite refreshing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm liking that.
You like it?
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Which one do you like?
So there we go. Nice and easy. Really tasty. I think it's great for a lunch because it's not too sort of doesn't feel like too
No.
sort of filling in that kind of way, but nice and sort of refreshing, light on the palate. Really nice. Sōmen Noodles. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Watch out for more Japanese cooking for idiots coming very, very soon. Sayonara!
Ta-da!